Greetings. I'm Gene Gutierrez, the Maine Landlord, and today we have an episode about an outlet or receptacle tester. And we're going to show you how we use an outlet, also known as a receptacle tester. So let's just jump right in on a close-up on how we use it. So here you could see a close-up on an outlet. And here is the outlet tester. I'm bringing it close. So you could see it tells you if the outlet is set up correctly, or if there's the hot and the neutral reversed, or the hot and the ground reversed, or if there's an open hot wire, or an open neutral wire, or an open ground wire. But we're hoping that this is correct. So all you simply do is plug it in, and the lights go on. And in this case, we have the two lights right there on, which when you go back to the thing, the two lights on the right, when they're on, that means it's correct. So it just simply tells you that everything's correct and that this is a safe outlet, also known as a receptacle. It's that simple.